Welcome fans to the new Brown Dice 100 show. I know y'all like my hair. It's all good. Like, walk up. Nah, serious talk, real talk. Today on my show, I'm going to be giving this girl a call from the train information line to ask her a question, basically how to get from here to Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican. I just want to know, how do I take a metro train to Jamaica? Hello?
Yes.
I'm Jamaican. Me just want to know how to get back to Jamaica on the train.
Do you have a serious question, sir?
Me are serious. Me want to go to Jamaica.
Okay, well,
I know the train. I know the trains go to New York. Me want to take the train to Jamaica. I want to go to Jamaica. The trains go to Jamaica. That's all I want to know.
Well, you should work on your accent, but no, there is no metro train that goes to Jamaica.
What the bummer do to me working my accent, gal? Me Jamaican, all of this me. Don't talk to me. I get ignorant.